Okay, this is the first one because I'm in Clapham, just about to go into a talk, which will be really good fun. I love going to property events and I love meeting people doing stuff in property and learning from them and seeing who's starting and just seeing all that enthusiasm. Alright, mobile phones. I know it's busy, I'm sorry, I'll just have to shout at you. If you are starting out, the temptation is just to have one mobile phone for your tenants, for your investors and for your life. Do not do that, because at some point, this is my unofficial view of the human population, 98% of people are wonderful, 2%, I don't want to say the word nutters, but 2% are tricky to get on with. Should we just say that? So, for your tenants, you need to have a separate mobile phone. If you're just the beginnings of a little business, and look at the dog. If you're the beginnings of a little business, get yourself a pay-as-you-go, but separate out your personal phone and your tenant's phone, because you do not want to be texted at 10 o'clock at night with the tenants showing you a little bit of dirt or a tiny little leak or whatever the heck it is. You want that on a separate phone. Similarly with your investors, just really for professionalising, separating out your personal life and your professional life, make sure you have a separate phone. And again, you might want to do as pay-as-you-go. Nobody needs to know, but do not have all of your phones on the one go. Okay, I'm off to have a really nice time, and I love this area. I'm kind of like spotting all the opportunities and getting excited about property, so I want to hear about people who've done deals here. See you soon, bye!